Good evening everyone, good evening and welcome to the Sankalp live of your discussion in the top 20 PYQs of the chapter Matrices. Now why are we doing this session? Very important, because this is from where your determinant starts and overall weightage of these two chapters are close to 9 marks. You heard me right, 9 marks from the chapters. Matrix and determinant, sometimes 7 marks, sometimes 9 marks, but this question keeps coming your way in KCET. And they are very easy. Matrices are actually much easier than determinant. There's no calculation also over here. So basically acts as those questions which will give you buffers, which will save time for the other problems. Like questions in integration, calculus, calculations in determinant, those questions will take time. So these questions over here in the chapter saves time from those and saves time for those questions. Okay, now so if you're ready, let me know in the comment section and give me a thumbs up if you are excited for this session to complete the top 20 PYQs. Why this top 20? Because this PYQs will cover, even though there are 20, but they'll cover all the concepts from the KCET point of view for the chapter Matrices. Okay, so let's see, we can start or not. I am a little late today. Sorry for that. I had some work, got delayed, forgive me. Okay, hi Nagraj, good evening. XXRS, good evening sir, good evening. So yes, so let's start solving the questions. All of you are already here. Can we start with the first question straight away for all of you? I know all of you will actually give me the right answers. I'm very confident today that every one of you will give me the right answers for every question. Okay, let's start. The first one, the question number 1, answer. The question number 1, answer. Okay, the question number 1, answer. Nagaraj, and please make sure that everyone who is in the live should participate in the answers. Okay, whether it is right or wrong, let me decide on that. I've told you guys, I'll never judge you because it's my job to help you, not judge you. If you are struggling today, it's my job to pull you to the level where you are able to be happy with your preparation. We are able to say that, okay sir, I can get a very good college of my choice. Okay, so do not worry about me judging you or anybody who's here in the live. Nobody will judge you. Just come here and let me know your concerns, your doubts, your answers, all of that. That's why I'm here in this live. Okay, super sir. Okay, let's start. So I think I have the first answer. Do I have the first answer? Yes. Option B is the answer from XXRS. Okay, so the question is, if A is a 3x4 matrix and B is a matrix and A dash B is defined, A is a 3x4 matrix, means A dash will be a 4x3 matrix. Am I right? Yes. And they're saying A dash B is defined. It means A dash 4x3 should be, whatever is over here in the order of B should be defined. Yes, that's what it means. Now we all know that this has to be what in that case? This has to be 3 over here because they have to be of the same, right? The number of columns in the first matrix should be same as number of rows in the second matrix in the case of multiplication. So B first is figured out. Now we are moving to BA dash. BA dash is also defined. So B will be what? So far we have B as 3 cross the box and A dash is 4 cross 3. So this has to be what? Again the value 4. Hence the order of B becomes 3 cross 4. So XXRS gave me the right answer, 3 cross 4, and he got 1 mark. So far. Yes, so good job. Others also, please give me the answers. It's very important. These are the easy questions, should be done in 5 seconds, 2 seconds. You save 50 seconds in one question, can be used and applied in the other problems. Okay, now if you're worried, if you're thinking what is this mark, that question 38 P 484, so this is the page 484, question number 38 from our PYQ book for KCET that we've designed for PCM, because we've been asking a lot for which book to refer from here and there. So that's why we have made a very good book for PCM, which consists of your short notes, short understanding of all the chapters, then goes your questions of last 20 years of KCET, and then it goes with answer key and solutions also. So do check it out using this scanner that is there. Okay, so question number 2, answer now. Question number 2 also should be done within 2 seconds. Check here, symmetric part of this matrix. First, logic check for the symmetric matrix. Symmetric? No sir, it's not symmetric because this is having 0 0 over here, so not symmetric. Skew-symmetric also not there. Okay, fine. What about this? This also, no. Only this one is correct. 187443300. So actually the most logical one answer is option D, and we're gonna pick just that. No, the right way to do this question is different. Symmetric matrix means you're gonna find the A transpose, and symmetric is given by what? A plus A transpose by 2. A plus A transpose by 2. This is the right method, but it will take time. Let's try the options first. Eliminate the option, that method we are using over here. Within few seconds we get the answer, and then move on to question number 3. So can I see all of you giving the same answer in the comment section? All of you? Nagaraj has given me the answer as B. I think that was the previous one. For this particular question, what is the answer? For this particular question, what is the answer? 2 is D, correct. 2 is D, correct. Question number 3 now. Question number 3. A 0, 1, 1, 0, then what is the value of A square? For this, of course, you have to multiply and get, but not difficult multiplication, is it? No, sir. 0, 1, 1, 0. Multiply, please. Row to column. 0 into 0 is 0. And 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 comes over here. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. So 0 comes over here. 1 into 0 and 0 into 1. 1 into 1. So answer is what? Option D. Question number 3, answer is option D. Question number 3, answer is option D. Yes. If I am going a little faster or slower, let me know. I'll change my pace according to that. Okay. If you're having any troubles in the preparation of your CET, let me know. I'll resolve that. I'll help you understand how can you make it better. Okay. And if you are able to not manage both the preparations of your PU college or KCET, let me know. I'll help you with that as well. Any concerns, anything that is troubling you, that is making your, that is being a nightmare in the preparation journey of yours in KCET, getting the dream college, then do ask me, because I'm telling you, even by small mistakes that you are making today, your dream college can go out of your hand. Okay, so do let me know if you have any troubles in the comment section. Okay, I'm here to solve questions. I will do that. But if you have any other problem that you're facing while studying mathematics, you can ask me. While preparing for KCET, you can ask me. Okay, question number 4. That much trust I think I have built over here that I'm going to deliver and help you out with anything that comes your way academically. Question number 4 now. Okay, so question number 4 here will be, when will you do model paper 2, sir? Very soon. What happened, HK Ravi Kumar. So what happened is, basically last time when I was doing, many of you were not done with the syllabus. So I'm just waiting for some time. Once your syllabus is complete, then we'll bring back some model papers for all subjects: math, physics, chemistry, biology, everything. Okay. So right now is waiting for the syllabus to be complete. So we'll do that. Okay. All right. If A is a matrix of order m cross n and B is a matrix such that AB dash and B dash A are both defined. Same thing that we got over here in the previous question. It is the PYQ 2016, our books, question number 51, page 485. Okay, if you have it, you can check it right now. What do you have over here? If A is a matrix of order m cross n. Okay, sir. A is of the order m cross n. B is such that B is not known. AB dash is defined. So whatever is B, let's say B is something. I'm looking for B dash, right, first. So AB dash. So m cross n, like talking about B dash. This is going to be the order. So this has to be what? N over here. So n will come. Next is what? B dash A. Next is what? B dash into A. What is A? A is m cross n. So what do we have over here for B dash? We have the first one defined as n, and this is the blank. This has to be m then. So we got the order of B dash as n cross m. This is the order of B dash. They're asking this the order of B. So it will become what? M cross n. This is n cross m. If I take the reciprocal, not reciprocal, transpose, it becomes m cross n. Answer is option D. Option D. Question number 4, answer is option D. Yes. Okay, thank you for being some little patient. We'll deliver all the sessions, okay? We'll deliver all the model question papers, not a problem. 5th one, 2016 PYQ, answers guys. Yes, Nagaraj, your answer is correct. Others, please try and solve it with him. Try and solving it with him. Okay, he's always answering the questions, but also I request others to participate. Okay, yeah. Fifth question, cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, A plus A transpose is I is a unit matrix, find the value of theta. Okay, A transpose, first find A transpose. We'll have this value as, this will remain as it is, cos 2 theta, this will come over here, minus sin 2 theta, sin 2 theta, and again cos 2 theta. Okay, if you add them, A plus A transpose, you'll have the value as, what is it, cos, so it'll become 2 cos 2 theta, this is going to be 0, 0, and again 2 cos 2 theta. And they've given this is equals to what? I, means 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. Compare now. Compare. So 2 cos 2 theta is equals to 1. It means cos 2 theta equals to 1 by 2. We all know this. 2 theta is equals to cos inverse of 1 by 2. That is pi by 3. So theta value will be what? Pi by 6. Option is option A. Option is option A. Yes. Fifth one is A. Okay. All right. Next is question number 6. Next is question number 6. What do we have over here? A is 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Then A square minus 5A is equal to what? This value. A square minus 5A. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this particular question? Sixth problem. Answers, guys, in the chat right now. A square. Let me help you a little bit. What do we have over here? 3, 1 minus 1, 2. 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Multiply now. 3 into 3 is 9, minus 1 is 8. 3, we are doing row to column, right? So 3 into 3 is 9 and minus 1 is 8. Okay, and 3 into 1 is 3, 1 into 2 is 2. So 5, I get here 8, 5. Now with the second row, minus 3, minus 2, so becomes minus 5. And we have minus 1 plus 4, so 3. This is A square. Minus 5A if you check. So we'll get 5A now. The 5A will be what? The 5A will be 15, 5, minus 5 and 10. Difference of these two. This is the difference of these two. Check out once. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. Minus 5 of minus 5 will become again 0. Minus 5 minus of minus 5. 3 minus 10 is again minus 7. You can take minus 7 common. So 1, 0, 0, 1. The answer is what? Minus 7i. Minus 7i. Option D is correct. Option D is the right choice. Sixth, option D is correct. Okay. Okay. So yes, look, the thing is, these kind of questions will take some time to multiply. Once you're done with the multiplication, you can do in your mind also. Check here. Once you got this, 8 minus 5 into A, 8 minus 15, so minus 7. From there you can see that's going to be what? Minus 7i. I'll repeat. How can you solve this question faster? That also I'll tell you. Once you get this multiplication done, 8 minus 5 into 3, minus 15. What you're getting is 8 minus 15 is minus 7. We have only one such option, which is option D. Stick it and move on. But this can happen only if you have done so many questions like this. You can trust yourself only when, if you have solved so many questions like this, that you're gonna be sure that everything is in terms of I only, right? Everything is I minus I, 7i minus 7i, and the first term is coming as minus 7. Of course it is going to be what? Minus 7i. So logic will only come if you have solved questions like this. But yes, that will make your process faster. Okay. Question number 7 now. And we have to do that. We need to build our logic in every single question. We have to build that. Okay. So question number 7, 6th is right. 6th was D only, right? Yeah. 6th is correct, Nagaraj. Others, I don't know what happened. Either they're finding this chapter easy or whatever it is. But I'm telling you, by this much, okay, by this much, you lose your dream college. This can happen. So be serious. When you're here, answer my questions, follow my instructions. It'll help you because otherwise it'll be your loss. Okay, I'm here, I'm going to deliver my class and then go away. But if we are saying that we are here to make an impact in the preparation, then get the most benefit of that particular session. Okay, so please, it's a request as well as it's an instruction. Do solve all the questions and give me the answers. Okay, it's for your benefit. Make the most of it. Okay, good. Question number 7 now. Question number 7 now. Yes. So question number 7, B already answer have come from Nagaraj, others still waiting for that. If a matrix A is both symmetric and skew-symmetric, answer. Check here. Symmetric, A transpose is A. Skew-symmetric, A transpose is minus A. A transpose is A transpose is minus A means skew-symmetric. This is your symmetric matrix. This is your skew-symmetric matrix. They're both A transpose means they have to be also equal. So A becomes equals to minus A. 2A will become equal to 0. Hence the answer of A will be what? 0. 0 is what? A null matrix or 0 matrix. B. So again, this is a very easy question. We can solve it within seconds. Okay, 5 to 10 seconds. That's the most we need for this particular question. Okay. Yes. Next. Super, Manasha. I got your answer. Good job. Others also give me more and more answers. Would love to see your participation. That gives us energy to bring more and more such sessions. Okay. So any question, any series we are coming, like our sessions. Okay, we are putting a lot of efforts over here, and for your benefit, to make sure that you get your dream college in KCET. Okay. So we have, for example, we have tomorrow your live schedule, right? You have chemistry tomorrow or physics. So physics is there, chemistry is there. Your classes are scheduled. Let me check. What classes are there scheduled on our platform right now for tomorrow? Let's check right now. So live is scheduled tomorrow is 20th, physics is there, 21st, biology is there. So go ahead and like the session right now. Go ahead and like the session right now, because it's very important that you like and you keep the notification of that session on, because what will happen, no, the session will come live but you will forget about it. Even though you wanted to attend, but you will forget about it. You have too many things to be worried about. But let the YouTube remind you so that you don't miss the session and don't miss that. Every bit will help you get closer to the preparation of your dream college. So why to miss out? Okay, so do make the reminder of the session right now, and make the live, like the live, and put on the notification bell on. Yes. Are you able to follow me, all of you? Did you do what I asked you right now? Go ahead, like the live which is scheduled, and put the notification of the sessions turned on. Okay. Question number 8. The value of x and y. This is very easy question, sir. What is the Nagaraj answer? Manasa, please check your calculation. It should be A actually. Manasa, please check your calculation. Answer should be option A. I'll tell you. This is 3 and 3, okay? So it becomes 2 plus y. Check here. 2 into 1 is 2, y equal to 5. So 2 plus y equal to 5. So y is 3. Here you're going to check for x. 2 into x. So 2x plus, you're going to check with this, 2 equals to 8. So 2x equals to, bring on this side, 6. X equals to 3. Answer is option A as 3 and 3. This class will be completed within 1 hour, I think, right? Because only we are doing top 20 questions, so I think 1 hour, even less than that, we'll try. So we're already on the 8th question, but I do have some surprise. If you want, we can continue on that. Okay, I do have some surprises, but not ours. I think this will be a short session. But if you have doubt, I'll stay back until unless your doubts are cleared. If everything is done, then I can move on and end the session. Right now, question number 9. Superb. Let's try. From your question 62, page 486 of our PYQ book, do refer it. A is 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2. A par n is 2 par ka. Now this is a time-taking question. You have to solve it to understand. 2 minus 2 minus 2, 2 with the same thing. 2 minus 2 minus 2 and 2. Check here. So you'll have 2 into 2 is 4, and minus 2 into minus 2 is again 4. So 8 will come. 2 square and plus 2 square, so 4 minus 8, this is minus 2 and minus 2 again, so minus 4 will become minus 8. Calculations you can do from your side, multiplications, everyone, Manasa, Nagaraj, HK, Pallavi, yes, Asian Warriors. So yeah, I think answer is correct. Yes, your answer is correct, Asian Warrior. Option D is right. Super, good job. It's a very popular question, no, actually. You must have solved it at many times in your college also. Yes. We have here from second row minus 4 and minus 4 again. We get minus 8 here we get what? We are getting here, sir, again, what is it? Plus 4 and plus 4, so 8. Okay, check this out. So it's coming as, if I take 4 common, no, it will become what? 2 minus 2 and 2. So 4 of A, basically 4 of A. So what is this going to be? 2 power 2 of A. This is my A square. What about A cube then? A cube will become 4 of A into A, na? 4 of A is A square, right? So A square into A will be your A cube. So this becomes again what? 4A square. Again you'll have 4 into 4A. Answer is what? 16A. Now check carefully. Here A square is coming as 2 power 2A. But A cube is coming as 2 power 4. 2 power 4A. Okay. So check it out over here. Which option suits best? Option D if you try. Because we are comparing the power, okay? We are looking for this, the value of K. Value of K, okay? If you take the integral power of this, what is the value of K? So if you compare this, in this first case, here the value of N is 2. N value is 2. In this case, the value of N is 3. So the K should be equal to, if I take that one, 2 into N minus 1. Check here, this K value here is 2. The K value in this case is 4. So I'll try the first one. With N equals to 2. Test. K equals to 2 times of 2 minus 1. 2 times of 1, answer is 2. So when N is 2, K is coming as 2. So when N is 2, K is coming as 2. Correct. Try the other one. When N is 3. Test. K equals to, again same thing, 2 times of N minus 1. So 2 times of 3 minus 1, 2 times of 2, which is 4. Okay, so yes, when N is 3, K is 4. When N is 3, K is 4 means option D is suitable. So do I have to do all of this in our examination? Okay, so as I said, this is a time-taking question. If you don't know how to solve it, it is a time-taking question. But what happens over here, the steps I've done over here can be easily done in your mind, because they're simple multiplications. Check here, N equal to 3 you can put, N equals to 2 you can put. This all can be done in your mind. So this process that I've done over here on the screen is to just avoid any confusion while you are solving it right now. Otherwise, all of this can be done in your mind. Okay, not need to write it over here, but till this part you have to write. Okay, yes. Yes, Nagaraj. Super. 9th is D, correct? 10th one now. All of you. Whenever a difficult question comes, everybody, just gives up. For what reason? It's okay, no? I'm here. The thing is, difficult questions are the one which will get you your rank, your college. Because what happens is, easy question everybody can solve. Easy questions everyone can solve. But the difficult ones are the one that creates the difference. So do try to solve these also. Okay, difficult ones try to create the difference in the ranks. Okay, 10th one, guys, solve it. Question number 10, solve it right now. So this is an easy one, I think. Make equation. 1 into x is the first one. 1 into y, if you multiply, so y equals to 2. This is my first equation. Second one, minus 1 into x is minus x. 1 into y, so plus y equals to 4. Add them, cancels. Y plus y is 2y is 6. Y is 3. Y is 3. Okay, if y is 3, check here. X plus y is 2. And if y is 3, x has to be what? Being on this side, x has to be minus 1. So x value will be what? Minus 1. So minus 1 and 3. Option D. From the page 486, question number 63 of our PYQ book. Okay. Done? Yes. So now I can see more participants is coming. Asian, Nagaraj and Manasha. Superb. Good job, guys. As I said, the difficult ones creates the difference in your colleges. Easy one, everyone can solve. The difficult questions, that's what you solve, and that's what creates the difference of the top colleges and the average colleges. Okay? So be serious, commit to yourself, and rest we will take care on our platform Deeksha Karnataka. Okay, question number 11 now. Let's solve this one. A transpose. You all know the answer for this one. Don't need to solve. It's a property actually. D will work directly. Don't solve it. It's a property. A transpose is always I. Check. 11th one answer is D. Give me the answers, guys. 11th one answer is D. Okay. Super. Question number 12 now. If this is a good question, easy, but it is a good question. I like it personally. P and Q are symmetric matrices of the same order. Then what is the value of PQ minus QP? What is the nature of these two? So what I do is take X as PQ minus QP, take X as PQ minus QP, and start taking the transpose. So PQ minus QP transpose. We'll get what? PQ transpose minus QP transpose. Am I right? Transpose of PQ minus QP. Over here we'll get Q transpose P transpose. Over here we'll get again P transpose Q transpose. What they've given? They are symmetric in nature. Means P transpose is P, Q transpose is Q. Okay. So what do we get over here? Q transpose is Q, P transpose is P minus PQ. But we had taken X as PQ minus QP. So you'll take minus sign common. You'll have this as PQ minus QP. Check here. Simply minus X. Started with X transpose. We got minus X. Means the result is actually skew-symmetric matrix. All of you is clear on this? All of you are clear on this, right? Yes. So Asian has given D, Nagaraj also D, Manasha as well as Madhavi is here now. She is a little late, must have been busy. Welcome, bacha. So answer is D now. Okay, answer is D for this question number 12. Okay. Question number 13, 3a plus 4b dash. How would you solve this question? Yes. Yeah. 3a plus 4b dash. Check here. We have 3a dash over here with negative sign. This is 3a positive. So if I apply the transpose on this, then it will become what? With the simply minus 3a. Try this out. 2b minus 3a dash is given as this particular matrix. 1 minus 1, 18, 4, 0. I can do it over here only, no? Why to do all of that? Excuse me. 1 second, guys. I can do it over here itself. Check this out. Transpose on this and transpose on this. Check here. It'll become what? 2b transpose or 2b dash. Okay. And over here you'll have minus 3a, because transpose of transpose will become the matrix itself. And on this will become minus 1, 4, and minus 5. The first column becomes the first row. 18, 0, and minus 7. Now once you have this, add the two equations that you have in terms of matrix. So we have what? Write it out over here. 4b dash plus 3a, and over here we have 7 minus 10 and 17, 0, 6 and 31. Now from here you will tell me the answer. All of you will tell me the answer from here. Okay, I have given you all the steps that you need to solve this question. I think Chill for you has given the answer A. All of you agree? Nagaraj, Madhavi, Manasha, Asian Warrior, is A the right answer? Let me know right now. Do all of you agree that A is the right answer? Okay. Yes. So Madhavi is saying A is the right answer. Others, Nagaraj, is A the right answer? Waiting on your comment. Yes. Is A the right answer? I think there's a lag in the live. That's why you're not able to answer my question. So A is the right answer, correct? A is the right answer. I hope all of you got it. Okay. So if you see now, when you add them, when you add these two, this will cancel. You'll have here 6b dash equals to, check here. You'll have 6 the first element, minus 6 the second element, and 17 minus 5. So 12 the third element. 0 plus 18 will be simply 18. You have 6 again, and you have 31 minus 7. That will become 24. 24. That's 6b dash. So simply b dash will become what? Simply b dash will become what? 1 minus 1 and 2. And we have 3, 2 and 4. If you write in the column way, if you write the transpose of this, you'll have the answer as 1 minus 1 and 2, 3, 2 and 4. That's 3, 2 and 4 or 3, 1 and 4? 3, 1 and 4, sorry. 3, 1 and 4, my bad. 3, 1 and 4, because if you divide by 6, it will be 1, no? Here we have 6 actually. 3, 1 and 4. Clear? 13th one. Yes. Doing, sir. Okay, Asian has a doubt. So what happened, bacha, here? We have two equations given in the matrix form. Okay. So once the equations are given over here, check, we have 3a and we have minus 3a dash. Okay. If I make a transpose on this, this will also become what? 3a, correct, no? Because transpose of a to transpose, answer is what? Back to itself. So 3 will be the constant kept as it is. This will become what? A, back to a. Now we have 3a over here. We add the first equation in the matrix. 3 and 3a is cancelled. You add the like term after taking transpose. You get 6b dash equals to this particular value. B dash will be this by dividing every term by 6. You are looking for the value of the matrix B. So take the transpose one more time. Transpose of B dash to, okay. So transpose of one more time over here. You'll have the answer as B like this. Is it clear? So Asian warrior, is this clear? 14 now. Yes. Question number 14. A power 4 is equal to what? We have the power 4. We'll find a square first. So we'll get what? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Multiplied with itself. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0. Check here. Row to column. So 0, 0, 1. Excuse me. 0. This is also like this, no? 0, 0, 1. And have I written something correct? 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1. So this is correct only, no? 1 first element is correct. And 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. This is 0. Again 0. Yeah, all terms are 0 in this first row except for the first element. 0 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0 and 0 into 1 is again 0. So 0 into 0, 0, again 1. Over here 1 into 1 is 1, other term is 0. 0, 1 into 0 is 0 and we have 0 over here. If you see, you'll get this as 0, 0, 1. So a square is coming as I. So a power 4 will come as I power 2, answer will be I only. Hence the answer is option B. 14th option B is correct. Yes. Yeah. Super. Okay, good job. Others, give me the answer in the comment section. Yeah. Nagaraj, yes. Question number 15 now. If A and B are square matrices of the same order, then what happens over here? Of the same order, then what happens over here? 15th one, I'm looking for same order and they're saying that B is skew-symmetric, means B dash is nothing but minus B. B is skew-symmetric. So we have A dash B A. Transpose of this will be given by what? Check this out. If I do this, I'll get this term transpose first, so I'll get A dash and B will be simply B dash and this term will go in the last, so A dash to dash. So I get A dash as, we don't know what is A dash, so we'll keep it as A dash only and we'll keep this as minus B. We'll keep this as simply A because transpose to transpose will be the matrix itself. Okay, so we have this as A dash only. I have the answer as minus A dash B A. If this was matrix X transpose, I'm getting this minus X. I'm getting this as minus X. So basically X transpose is minus X means skew-symmetric matrix. Option C is the right choice. Question number 77. So many PYQs are there in our book. For the last 20 years we have prepared it. Question number 77, page 487, 2022. 2020, sorry, not 22, 2020, sorry. Yes, 15th, option C, Madhavi has given the answer. Nagaraj also given the answer. 15th, option C is correct. Question number 16 now. Question number 16. Yes. A is 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, B is 2, 1, 3, 2. I'm looking for AB dash. Multiply AB first. AB first. So what are you going to do for that? You'll have, check here, this is 2 cross 3 and this is 3 cross 2. So you'll have the answer as 2 cross 2. Okay. Start with this first row, the first column. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 6 and 1. 2 minus 6 and 1. 2 minus 6 and 1. First one is done. First row to second column. 1 minus 4 and 1. 1 minus 4 and 1. Okay. Second row now. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 and 3. 4 plus 3 plus 3. Last one. 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2 and 3. Check the answer. We have over here as 3 minus 3 is 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. We have 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 3 is 7. I'm looking for the transpose of this. If you remember, we have the transpose requirement. So we get the answer as minus 3, 7, minus 2 and 10. Minus 3, 10, minus 2, 7. Minus 3, 10, minus 2, 7. Option is B, right? Check. Yes. Yes, Madhavi, you're right. Option is B. Okay. Good. Next, question number 16 is done. 17 now. Question number 17 now. A is a skew-symmetric matrix. Then A power 2021 is what? A transpose is minus A. I'm looking for A power 2021 will be what? So basically, let's do one thing. Take this as my matrix X and take transpose on this. Take transpose on this. So I'll get what? A transpose power 2021. What is this going to be? It will become what? Minus A 2021. I'm getting here what? The value of this as minus A 2021 because of the odd power. So I started with X transpose. I'm getting the value as simply minus X. Simply minus X. Again, the answer is skew-symmetric matrix. Option D is correct. 17th one, option D is the right choice. Okay. Yes. Yes. 17th, Kumud. Okay, Kumud, Nagaraj, Madhavi. All of you have got the right answer. No, sir, A is correct. Okay, how does bacha? How is A correct? Gamer, tell me. Row matrix. The thing is, we don't have any information about that, no? Do we? We don't have any information about the order. We don't have any information about the order. Okay. So whether it is row or column, we can't say that. It depends upon the number of rows. Please check. Jin Gamer, please check. Option D is the right choice, I think. If anything else is there you want to add, do let me know, okay? We'll discuss it. If you think something else is to be added, do let me know. I'll discuss it right now. Okay. Next, what do we have? Okay. Next. 18th, if the matrix is 2, 3, 5 minus 1, A plus B, where A is symmetric and B is skew-symmetric. So basically, let's say matrix X is 2, 3, 5 minus 1. I'm writing this X matrix as A plus B. A is the symmetric part and B is the skew-symmetric part. Okay, they're asking B. So I hope you all know B is given by X minus X transpose by 2. X minus X transpose by 2. So find the X transpose. This will be what? 2 minus 1, 3 here, 5 here. Now difference of these two. So I'll have B over here. Difference you take. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 3 minus 5 will be what? Minus 2. 5 minus 3 will be what? 2. And this will be again 0. This is my B divided by 2. Okay, I have to do. So answer is 0 minus 1, 1, 0. 0 minus 1, 1, 0. Option D is correct. Please check, guys. Option D is correct. Yes. Yes, Nagraj, Jin Gamer. Try the answers. Okay, for this question, Kumud, Asian Warrior. Yes, Madhvi, everyone. Super. Good job. Good job. Because the thing is, no, our goal should be very much clear. There's some chapters we cannot lose marks in. We cannot lose marks in those chapters. For example, we cannot lose marks in relation and function. We cannot lose marks in ITF. We cannot lose marks from matrices. Okay, we cannot lose marks from determinant properties at all. Okay, they're very easy. Then what else is very, very easy? The derivative of the basics function. Okay, the basic function derivative, that cannot be lost marks in. Not a difficult ones. When they ask you about the basic function derivative, those that cannot be lost marks in. Then what? Continuity of the question. Those continuous function question. Continuous function. That's the missing value of k, right? The vector questions that is there for the area of triangle and those. We have the questions on dr and dc's. So these questions you cannot lose marks in. You have to make this a must because these are very easy questions, very, very simple problems. So one of these is matrices. So that's why we have brought this session over here, because this chapter you have to get out. If you want to compete, if you want to get your dream college, whatever is your dream college, let me know in the comment section which college you want to go, what is the stream you are eyeing for. If you're looking for a good college with good stream, you have to get a very good rank, and that comes only by not losing marks in this. If you lose marks in this chapter also, then something is wrong, okay? And we need to work on that, but that can only happen if you share your preparation with me. Okay, 19th option D already are here. Options are not clear, sir. This option I'll write it over here, minus a square the square. This is, excuse me, this is a square minus a1 square, and this is a minus 1 the square. Is the options clear now, Nagraj? Yeah, please try now, try again please. Yes, yeah, good job. So others are given the answer already. 19D, option D is correct. No, this is a property, a square inverse is given by a inverse the square. A inverse the square. Okay, 19th is D correct. Actually this question can come in that determinant also, because inverse is usually dealt with determinant properties, so that's why this can be asked in determinant side. But yeah, we can do it over here also, but okay. Yes, question number 20th now. X3 to 1 minus 1, and don't leave right now, because I have surprise for all of you after this question also. Okay, so don't leave right now. After you do this, I'll ask you as a surprise, then we'll go ahead. X3 to 1 minus 1, 15, 5. The value of xy is what? Make the equations. 3x plus y is 15, and 2x minus y is 5. Add it, cancels. This is going to be 20. This is going to be what? 5x. So x is 4. X is 4. So 3 into 4 plus y is what? 15. So we get 12 plus y is what? 15 means y has to be 3. So 4 and 3. Option B. Option B. Clear now? Yes. Okay. Now, the surprise. Surprise now. Is the question clear? Can we go to the surprise part now? Yes, Nagaraj. So we have some regulars over here. Some have not joined today. I don't know. They must be busy. But usually we have. Now I remember the names of regulars. Okay. But I would love to know all of you who are joining the classes. But yes. So the surprise is, yes, this session is about top 20 PYQs. But you know, being a teacher, and I do want you to do very good in your preparation. Okay. And this chapter is very, very easy. We cannot lose marks from here. So actually, I have brought some more questions. So if you want me to solve these questions also, just let me know in the comment section, in the live chat. Okay. Yes. So I have brought some more questions. If you are okay, we can continue. Even though session was only for 20 best PYQs, but I couldn't resist it. So I brought some more questions with me. Do you want me to discuss these questions also? If you don't want me to, I can end the session and go, done for today. But if you want me to, I have some more questions. Check here. I have some more questions I can discuss. and this has the latest PYQ also. Okay, so can we do it? Are you, see, Asian has already given the answer also. So Asian is very fast. Sir, forget about your asking, sir. I'll give the answer right away only. Okay, Asian. So option is B. Asian is right actually. He's pretty smart. So I can see that you all are, you know, being trained in a way. Okay, you are actually looking at the question and giving the answers. So you're going very good. I hope you are being honest with me, not taking any help. But if you are answering me the way you are all answering me, then it means you're working, you're on the right track. Because every session I come, these 5-6 people are giving me every answer correct. Think about it. Every answer that I ask for, you are giving me the right answer. How good your preparation must be. Okay? So be proud of that first, and whatever is the loopholes, whatever is the mistakes that you're making, work on that. You'll have outstanding results in PU2 and KCET as well. Okay, and others who are watching me right now, who are not able to answer all the questions, do join in, ask your doubts. I'll make sure that you also are able to participate up to their level, and you also get all the questions right in my sessions. Okay, because I don't make them easy on purpose. This is your PYQs. This is your questions given by the KCET, KEA. So these are the questions that are going to come for examination. So that means if you are able to solve these questions comfortably, means you are right there somewhere for the preparation. Okay, in the good zone, in the safe zone. Okay, so be proud for that. And let's solve this particular question. We have a square plus b square to find out. What is the a square value? If I see from here, they are given ab as b and b as a. So first write a square as a into a and b square as b into b. B into b. Answer is correct. Answer is given right by your dear friend in the life. Okay. Option B is correct. So check here. If I write this a, if I write this as BA, okay. But if I write this as BA, then something weird happens. You get again a square. If I change the first a as BA, something wrong happens and it comes to BA square. So we will not do that. We'll try to, in a question like this, we'll try to avoid repeating the pattern. We'll try to avoid, listen to me very carefully. In a question like this, if a different question comes, try to avoid repeating the pattern. Get back to the newer one. So we'll not change this one, we'll change the other one. So A, and change this A to BA. Same over here, keep this B as it is and change this B to AB. Now check the pattern that has been built. We'll club these two together. Here also we have AB and this A comes as it is. Here also we have BA and this B comes as it is. What is the value of AB? AB is B. AB is B, A is as it is, and BA is A. And B is as it is. So A into B, A into B. BA is what? BA is A. And AB is what? Is B. So answer B was the right choice. Clear? Making sense to all of you? Yes. Done. Next, the last year's PYQ. This current year actually, not even last year. This current year PYQ. Question number 22. If A is a square matrix, then satisfying the equation A square minus 5A plus 7I, find the value of A inverse. Okay. A square minus 5A plus 7I equal to 0 we have. So, actually what happened in my live session that I took before KCET, in the morning actually I took the live, I did this question and this question exactly came in your examination this year, okay. So I was very happy when I saw this question. Exactly this problem I solved and this problem came for the examination, so that made me really, really happy. So I really hope that we are going to create some magic this year as well with your commitment and my efforts, okay. And of course your effort is also there, but my planning, my efforts with your commitment and your efforts, we're gonna bring out some real magic in our examination of KCET 2026. KCET 2026. Now back to this question. I'm looking for A inverse, so that can only happen if I have I over here, rest all on this side, 5A minus A square, apply A inverse on everything. So I get first I'll find I, okay. So I'll get 1 by 7 5A minus A square with the bracket. Apply A inverse now. So A inverse I, 1 by 7 is a constant, 5 is a constant. So A inverse A minus A inverse A square. A inverse I is nothing but A inverse 1 by 7 as it is. 5 into A inverse A is nothing but 5I minus, this will become one of them is IA, so it will be what? A. Answer is 5A minus A. 1 by 7 5A minus A. Option A is correct. Clear? Yes. Okay. Question number 22, option A is the right choice. 23. Okay. If a matrix A is 1 1 1 1, A power 6 means KA. A power 6 is KA. The value of K is what? Let's find A first. A will become 1 minus 1, right? How much is that? Okay, it's not a determinant, it's a matrix. Sorry. It's a matrix. I thought wrong. Okay. So we'll find A square first. Check. 1 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 1. We'll get this as what? 1 into 1 into 1. So 2. Again 2, 2, 2. So basically I'm getting the A square as 2 into A. So A power 6 will actually become 2A into 2A into 2A. How much is that? 2 power, what is it? 3 into A cube. Continue. A power 6 is 2 cube, A cube. 2 cube into A square into A. So 2 cube into, what is the A square value? That's simply 2A into A. It will become 2 power 4. A into A is A square. 2 power 4, A square is nothing but 2A again. So 2 power 5, A is my value of A power 6. This is nothing but, compare this to KA. This K will come as what? K will come as 2 power 5. So K is what? 32. K is what? 32. Am I right? Option A. Option A. Okay. 23, option A is Sainath Kote. We have Nagaraj, Madhavi, Asian Warriors. All of them have given the right answer as option A. Next, 24th one. Which of the following statement is not correct? I'm looking for wrong statements. A choice which is having wrong statement. A row matrix has only one row, correct? A diagonal matrix has all diagonal elements 0. No, not really. Diagonal matrix means this has to be non-zero A, B, C. Rest all is 0. Diagonal has to be non-zero, other should be 0. So basically your incorrect statement and the right choice is the second one. Okay? Yes. Good one. Now, 25th one. A and B are two matrices such that AB is identity matrix and the order of matrix B is 3 cross 4. Order of matrix B is 3 cross 4. The same question came in 2014. Now also it's coming in 2025. Okay? You can see. So I think what is the answer? AB is identity matrix. AB is given as I. AB is given as I. Of this order of matrix B is 3 cross 4. B is 3 cross 4. A will be what? A has to be what? Inverse of B. A has to be inverse of B then. Okay. Then what happens? And one more thing, of course. Excuse me. If you're multiplying this, this has to be what? Oh, here 4. This has to be 3, right? This has to be 3. So the matrix order has to be 3 cross 4, I think. Correct? No? Check here. Same thing. Is option A right, guys? Is option A right? Sorry, not really. 1 second. I have made a mistake in this question. I think. Yeah. To multiply them, no, AB is defined, right? AB is identity matrix, means AB equals to I, but AB has to be multiplied. So A is given, B is given as 3 cross 4, then this has to be 4 only, right? 4 into 3 maybe, 4 into 3. No, 3 into 4, excuse me. Sorry. Yes. Not inverse. My bad. This has to be 3 and this has to be 4 over here. Then only we can get 3 and 3. And the result has to be what? Identity matrix. That has to be a square matrix. So if you check the result of AB, I'll get I4. I'll get the answer as I4. Entity matrix of the order 4. That can only happen if the A is what? 4 cross 3, not 3 cross 4. Forgive me. They're not inverse. This has to be 3 over here and why 4? Because the result has to be what? A square matrix. Okay. So I4, to get I4, I have to have 4 over here. So answer is 4 cross 3 actually, option C. Answer is 4 cross 3, option C. Is this clear? Is this clear? Yes. So option 3 is correct. Madhvi, please check. Answer is option C, not D. Okay. Now for all of you who are here, for all of you who are here, you have tomorrow physics and day after tomorrow physics, biology scheduled in the class of Sankalp Live. Do go ahead and give a like in that live session. Give a like there and keep the notification of that session turned on. Otherwise, you'll miss the session, and even if you want to attend, you'll miss out the session because of your other commitments. And what will happen? This will actually hamper your preparation. When we are coming over here, we have planned the session, we have delivered it on that way so that it will help you in your preparation. If you miss out, you are lagging behind. You don't want that to happen. So simply go ahead, like the session that is scheduled on our platform, and keep the notification bell turned on so that you don't miss and be on time. 5:30 it is every day. 5:30 every day we have a live scheduled. Tomorrow physics. Tomorrow is what? Thursday. So we have physics. And Friday is biology. Okay. Yes. Next chapter. In this, we'll do determinant only. In the next live, we'll do determinant only. In mathematics, I won't know about physics. That you have to ask physics, sir. Okay. So this is clear, guys. Go ahead and like that session and keep the notification. For the most important part, notification should be turned on. You have to come and watch that live session. Very important. If you don't come, others will benefit and you will miss out. Okay, it will not be a long session, so we are trying to make it in a way, short and crisp, that you make the most of it in the limited time that you are giving or committing to us in that live. Okay, sir, start bio. Bio is coming, no? Bio is coming on the Friday. Nagaraj, bio is coming. Sir, does Deeksha have offline crash course during month of April? I think they should have. In the April KCET crash course, I think will be coming KC21, right? That's there. Okay, for that you have to visit the official website of Deeksha, and from there you can contact the support team. They'll help you out. Otherwise, simple thing, leave a comment in the comment section or the live chat. In the comment section that you have a requirement like this, I'll ask the team to get back to you. They'll reply or they'll get in touch with you. Okay. Alright, this is answer for the Sainath Kote. Ishanwar is saying answer 4. Feeling bad that only 5 are watching. No, nobody has failed as a student. Okay, don't worry about all of that, bacha. It's about all you in this life should be toppers next year. Just worry about that. You want to give me commitment, just give that commitment that you'll work so hard, you'll create magic in your preparation, you'll go to the dream colleges, you'll come and meet us. We do have a meet and greet, okay? When we met all of these champions last year of KCET, the kings of KCET, okay? Kings and queens actually. We had Deeksha also over here. The best rank was, I think, 117 or 171. I forgot actually, my bad. That was him. Prajwal got a very good rank. So this was all the student who studied with us on our YouTube platform. It was so happy that they did this amazing result they produced. But that can happen only if the preparation, the commitment from the student is on mark, on point. Because we can only guide you, we can only teach you a certain concept, but the reward comes only when you commit to yourself, you make a promise today and you stick to it. Okay, every day you do small changes in your preparation, you will see how good you have in next few weeks, in next few days. Okay, so that's the only thing that we require, and with this I think we'll be good. Okay, that is too much reward for us. Rest all things will take care of itself. Okay, so please make this promise to me that you will actually work hard in your preparation and you'll be the topper of KCET, and that will make us so happy. Okay, we'll actually jump over here, we'll start dancing over here if you start creating those kind of results with our preparation. That's the only thing that we require, and we'll see rest all will be lovely. Okay, question number 26 now. Yes, but for now, do attend all the live sessions. We have only one live right now for all of you. Make the most of it. When we're not having live, you will regret it. You missed out. Okay, so when we are having live, when we are coming here, make use of it. Come and ask your doubts. Come and ask your concerns. Whatever problems you're facing in subject, in the preparation, ask us. That's why we are here. Okay, chaliye. Next, question 26. This is a expansion question. Too much calculation. Can you not do it by yourself? Can you not all do this question by yourself? You will make me solve this question. Now I am feeling lazy today. Why? Can you not make me? Can you not try solving this question? A minus b the whole cube. What is the answer? Sir, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b, sir. A minus b, sir. So a cube is going to be a only. I cube is a. This is sir, a square into a we can write. Yes, a square into a. This is, sir, minus 3a I minus a, sir. Okay, check this out. I minus, what is a square? Again a. Again a. Minus 3a into I plus 3a square. Check. I minus a square minus 3a I. Can I remove I now? 3ai is simply 3a, no? And plus 3a square. 3a square. Okay, superb. Simplify. I minus 3a. 3a square minus a square is nothing but 2a square, sir. 2a square, sir. So we have again I minus 3a. What is 2a square? Again 2a. Answer is I minus a. Answer is I minus a. I minus a. So see, you made me solve it. You made me solve it. Why, guys? Why? Okay, so I hope all of you enjoyed these questions. Sainath has given the wrong answer. Why did you change it now? Asian also gave the wrong answer. All of you, you guessed it, no? Because you thought I will not solve it. You guessed it. You all guessed it. Even Asian gave in the wrong answer. Sainath. Now you guys are changing your answers. Why? What is happening? Just because I am being lazy, you cannot be lazy, okay? This is your examination. I can just only help you. It's you who has to go and write the examination. So don't take this that lightly, okay? Some fun is okay, but you have to be right in the answers. So answer is I minus a, option A. I hope this is clear, right? I minus a. Okay. So yes, you are excused, no problem, but do make, if the questions are easy. Now, can we get that 4 marks from matrices or not? Matrices, weightage 4 marks. Sometimes 3 marks also, but yeah, 3 to 4 marks from the chapter matrices. Will you get all of them right or not? Will you all get all these 4 questions right or not in this chapter? Tell me. What can go wrong? What can exactly go wrong? Tell me. I'll just figure it out. I'll help you in that also. What is going to stop you to make this most or get out in matrices chapter? Nothing is stopping you. Everything has been taught in Sankalp, in everything. You can and you will get out in matrices. Same goes with ITF and the chapters I'm going to tell you. In those chapters, if you lose marks, no, if you come here, let's say even you are a topper and you come and meet me in the meet and greet that we're going to have at the end of this year, and you tell me, sir, I lost marks in ITF, I'm going to start being the old time teacher who has a stick with him all the time. Okay, so don't make me that. So this is the modern era of teachers, so we cannot do all of that. But don't force me. Don't lose marks in matrices, in ITFs, in determinants. They're very easy. They're very, very easy. Yes? Super. So I can see the commitments over here. Okay, good job, Asian, Nagras, Sainath Kote, Sai Ritika, Art House. I can see the commitments now. Komal, Kaushik, Madhavi, Nagraj. I have trust in all of you guys. I know you will do wonders. Just start making trust in yourself also. I feel I trust you guys, but you don't. You feel, sir, is this enough? Enough. It is enough. Okay, it is enough. If you are able to solve PYQs, if you want to know whether you're doing good or not, if you can solve PYQ like Rohit Sharma, you like cricket. Do you like his shots? He makes effortless pull shots, right? And all the shots. If you can solve PYQs, the trick is, if you can solve PYQs effortlessly, then you are prepared for KCET. One more thing. When I say effortlessly, it doesn't mean that you remember all the options only. You cannot do that, no, because let's say that there are 50 questions, somebody has good memory power. Unlike me, they remember all the options. Sir, I can solve any question that you give from matrices or something like that. No, without memorizing the options, if you can solve all the questions of PYQs of any chapter effortlessly, then tick the chapter complete. That's how you know whether you're going right about any chapter or not. Now, looking at your responses in the comment section in the live chat, of course, that's why I get happy, because I see all of you are giving me the right answers. It means you are prepared for this chapter, okay? And we'll make this happen for every single chapter out there for your syllabus, okay? Good. So, good job. Kudos to all of you. Any other doubt you have? Did this make sense to all of you? Do you all agree with this point I made? PYQs effortlessly, without memorizing the answer, you are prepared. Do you all understand what I'm trying to say over here? I'll take your names if you don't answer me. So we have Asian Warriors, Nagraj, Madhvi, Komal Kaushik, Shai Ritika. Next chapter is determinant, of course. After matrices, next chapter is determinant. Okay? Yes. Yes, sir. Superb, Nagraj. Nagraj has been one of the most consistent student in all of my lives, not only mine, in all the subjects. Okay, he's always there. Lovely bacha, lovely to see your responses, to see your love in the comment section. Don't forget to like the session if you have actually enjoyed it. So from here onwards, you have to all like the sessions and keep the notification turned on for all the classes that is scheduled on a platform. You go to the live column, see whatever the classes are there, like and notification turned on should be there. I'm asking you. It's not a request, it has to happen from all of you, okay? This is a requirement from my side, not a request. This has to happen, you will make it happen, okay? Chaliye. For all the live sessions. You're welcome, Nagraj. Bye, Sainath. Yes. So others, I'll wait for some time. If you have any doubts, any concerns, ask me. If nothing is there, if you're already cleared with anything that you have in your mind, then yes, you can go ahead, have your dinner, lunch. But this is all the questions that I had for today. I had planned only 26 questions. We had only planned for 20 questions, but I thought let's do some more. Yes. You're welcome, Madhvi. Good. So no doubts, no concerns. You can proceed. Oh, I think I've done a mistake today. I have brought the pen from other class, I think, right? See here, I have bought the pen. I'll get a scolding from other teachers today. See, I'll show you what I've done. In the live, I should not say this, but in my studio, I have 2 pens. It means one of the studio has 1 less. Okay, so they're gonna kill me today. Next session, problems explanation. Problems-based explanation only. All the sessions, these are PYQ sessions, so problem-based explanations. Yeah. Yes, so I have made a mess today. Sorry, teachers, if you're watching me. I have bought 2 pens over here. You're welcome, Madhvi. Next time, solve extra questions as much as possible, sir. I'll try my best. Okay? But whatever is given, let's say whatever the questions are given, they'll be the most important ones. So that has to be prioritized over here. Do not worry. By the time your KCET is there, everything will be completed on our side. Okay? Yes. So why is this some laugh emojis coming? You are smiling? Okay. All good? Yes. All right. So I think that's all for today's session. We'll meet in the next class. And that's it. Nothing new. Okay. Sir, I'm a JE student. Can I crack KCET? For all the JE students, no. You have an advantage. Advantage is that syllabus is lesser over here. Okay. Syllabus is, of course, less. But the time management has to be at peak. That's your problem. This has to be much improved on. You need to increase the time management, increase the questions that you take to solve one question, time that you need to solve one question. And one more thing, you need to practice mock papers. Okay, you need to practice a lot of mock papers. But yes, if you are actually preparing good, you can get a very good rank in KCET. Okay, that's what our question is. You can get a very good rank, but you have to be consistent. Work on the time management. Of course, you need to get a very high marks. Accuracy should be very high. Because in JEE, don't try to score 90% of the marks. Let's say the marks of KCET is what? Total is 60 in maths. You try to score 50, 55 plus in KCET. In maths, JEE don't do that. You have 100 marks paper. Even if you get 60, 70, that's a very good marks, right? But in this, you have to aim to get 50, 55 plus in KCET. So the challenge is not to get 40 marks. The challenge is to score 50 to 55 marks. And that's what the challenge KCET student live for. Okay, so if you are a JEE aspirant, try to make sure that your time management skills is improving and also accuracy at the same time, because you have to score very high in CET. I hope this is clear. Thank you, sir. You are welcome. Sai Ritika, Sainath Kote. Okay, I gave you answer. Sir, this trick of finding the characteristic equation of any 2 cross 2 matrix. Yeah, I think I've taught you that, no? Okay. A mass lambda I, we do that, no? It's only we use, remember? You're welcome, Sainath. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, this is the general equation, right? For characteristic equation. And whatever is the like matrix that is following it has to satisfy this condition. Yeah. You can find from here, no? This value, very simple. Determinant of A and determinant of lambda I. You can do that. Try this. Okay, so I think I can end the session today, but all of you do attend the all live sessions that we schedule on our classes, on our platform. I know you will enjoy it, I know you'll learn from it, and any other concerns you have, just leave in the comment section. We'll take care of that. Okay, I need to go end the live today, and apologize to your other teachers for taking 2 markers in this class. They must be recording some other sessions and they're gonna kill me. Okay, so hopefully they're gonna be gentle with me this time. Okay, with this, can we say bye today? Take care. See you in the next live. We'll be on the determinant chapter. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.